This is a message to all Uber and Lyft drivers nationwide in the United States. This court case here, it is so important that New Jersey comes through for us gig workers, because that is going to pave the pathway, right, for us to take national action, legal action against Uber, because they are so desperately trying to force you into arbitration. But what we really need to do is get our cases heard before a superior court or Supreme Court. So I'm going to read this article to you. The legal angle here may not interest you, but down the line, I can tell you, I work hand in hand with potterhandy.com. We're waiting on the outcome on this case. There have been some instrumental drivers in my channel. I don't want to call them out by name, but that have been a driving force to set up a class action nationally with Potter Handy. I'm the voice for drivers. I recruit drivers and want to bring them settlements. I'm very dedicated to this, right? I'm very excited about the possible positive outcome of this Jersey case, which could allow us to recruit thousands and thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of drivers to take a massive class action lawsuit to Uber and push for misclassification, dollars that you missed out on all the referral monies that they embezzled through their bait and switch campaigns. We're going to hold these bastards responsible. I'll tell you that, right? So a U.S. appeals court on Wednesday gave Uber Technologies Incorporated drivers in New Jersey who claimed they were misclassified as independent contractors another chance to prove that arbitration agreements they signed do not apply to their case because they were involved in interstate commerce. Now, if you are a frequent driver to airports, I mean, you're immediately part of this, because this is really where the interstate commerce takes place. So if you've taken multiple trips to airports, you automatically qualify on the suit. And there's big bucks coming. The problem is, my friends, is that we don't want these cases to be pushed into arbitration, because very often the arbitrators favor, they get paid by these companies, and there's tiny little settlements. But if we can package this up the correct way and take it to the higher courts, we get way higher payouts. U.S. Appeals Court, as I said there, because they were involved in interstate commerce. A unanimous 3-judge panel of the 3rd U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals set an exemption in the Federal Arbitration Act, FAA, for workers engaged in interstate commerce applied to those who transport passengers and not only physical goods, rejecting claims by Uber's lawyer at Gibson, Dunn and Crutcher and Littler Mendelsohn. Now, I've called out Gibson, Dunn and Crutcher. I have called out Littler and Mendelsohn. These are the evil bastards that are working against us drivers. I believe Gibson, Dunn in 1 year, Gibson, Dunn and Crutcher received over $2 million just in legal payments from Uber to fight us, to fight our rights, to make sure we don't get paid. So if you can, circulate this video, tweet it, retweet it, put it in Facebook groups. Let's out these guys. Name them, right? Name these law firms, because these are the law firms that are working together with Uber and Lyft against us, right? But we're going to be victorious, my friends, because we have the army, we have the people, and I'm going to recruit like crazy, believe me, once this is through. And if you want to reach out to one of the best law firms in California, Potter Handy, another heavy hitter, Lichten Riordan up in Massachusetts. She's won many cases against them. We're going to get our money back. I'm going to get paid the millions that I'm owed for referrals and for misclassification. I ain't giving up, right? So we will pound and deliver uppercuts, hooks, jabs, whatever we have to take. But we're going to wear these people down, I can tell you that. So again, circulate the videos and then go and reach out to Jim Treglio and Mark Potter at Potter Handy, and have them keep you in the loop of what's happening here. When this goes through, we take action. Have a great day. I do want to give a shout out to my sponsor, Cover, Kover, the gig protection plan. It starts at $7 a month. You obviously have your auto insurance, your medical insurance. Make sure you get yourself a gig protection plan, right? Go to the website, follow my link. You can actually get 1 month free, right? And research all the benefits. Understand what you're getting for $7 a month, right? You get 1 month free with my link below. The biggest selling point to me here was the legal protection. And in today's times, they are way too fast on wrongfully terminating and deactivating you, right? Claiming you committed fraud. That's one of the other cases I have against Uber. They turn around and quickly claim the Rideshare professor committed fraud, right, with his referrals. I don't have to commit fraud. I bring drivers, I sign them up, and they either pay out or they don't. If they don't, I take them to court. End of story, right? So their BS reasons to not pay individuals out, to delay, to hold on to your pay, right? It's exhausting, right? People have been to small claims courts, to the hubs, fighting for their monies. Uber and Lyft are known for this. They don't like to pay. They don't have the big resources. They hold on to every little penny and dollar and dime that they can. We won't stand for that. So Legal Rideshare, what I love about them, they get, when they take action, if you get deactivated, they send the legal letters out to these companies and say, hey, you wrongfully terminated my client, and they get you back behind the driver's seat. Another great thing is nationwide, in case, and God forbid, I hope this never happens, but in case you have an injury or an accident, or your riders get injured while in your car, or you suffer wage losses because you're in the hospital, they will handle the entire insurance claim for you. So please leave your feedback. Have a great day. Be safe out there, and wear those masks and disinfect the cars. Thank you.